Good morning, viewers and subscribers. Max, if you like what we're going to say, just subscribe to my channels, please. And if you agree with what I'm going to say, please leave a comment in the comment section. And if what I'm saying is right, please like and share. All right, where me want to put out on the table. This is what it is in the news. To all Jamaicans what overseas and all Jamaicans what contribute to a part of Jamaica. Alright. We don't want to continue fooled by the people and we say them run Jamaica. Because the people and we say them run Jamaica, all them continue to run down Jamaica and I sell out Jamaica. Jamaican people what overseas in a 2018, them said Jamaica earn 3 billion, 3.8 billion out of tourism in a Jamaica. That's where them gain from tourism. Okay. In a day, Western Union, MoneyGram, QuickWatch, Jamaica National, quotes and all the rest of money transfer business them. You see anything and all the rest of money transfer business. We Jamaican was overseas send over 2.8 billion. See, a 3.8 making a tourist. 3.8 making a tourist. And we overseas send 2.8 billion to us, Jamaica, with parents and to us, with kids them, with grandkids them, with family, with gal when we meet online and one bag of things. Alright? The thing what me I say and the thing what me I put across the table. If you feel that it's reasonable, like and share this. You see, if you feel like it's reasonable. All of this Jamaica, you see, we continue selling out by the people them we leading, like the Jamaican wharf what sell out, the airport them what rent out to people and lease out to other people. And to all of the rivers and valley and the mountain and seas in a Jamaica where sell out to foreign people. The Jamaican government need to set up a thing that every Jamaican where they overseas we're interested to invest their money in their own country. Them supposed to set up a thing that all of us can buy shares inside of the system at Jamaica. That all of us, for instance, we work a lot of money and we have to go through the stress of Western Union by black in our name. When you throw your little partner and earn a little money and say you want to send it back to your country, Western Union black in name because what them tell us say they can't do this and you can't do that. The Jamaican government supposed to set up the people who are Jamaican. We claim to say the name government we are rule the country. You see, and them are look out for the best interest, while them are look out for freedom interest for them friend and family interest, and not for me and you interest. Every Jamaican who are outside, whether I really like to contribute something in the society of our own country. You see, the society have our own country with some way even if you win a lot of money out of foreign and the Jamaican government don't know about it. You can't carry the money that Jamaica was spending. Because what? They want to know where you get it. They want to know where you get it, So the thing about it, and all of this continue make Jamaica been selling out to overseas people. For overseas people, even China self coming owning Jamaican side. The Jamaican government, the people with the brains will say them got high school and college and all them things, supposed to even think about this. Them to think about the Jamaican people them overseas we are contribute almost the same as the tourism. Because even if the tourism make over 3.8 billion You see? And then the Jamaican them overseas send over 2.8 or 2.9 billion the 2018. Don't mention the one that we left and go in a Jamaica for do them vacation, and go and work for them family. We care them look money go bank it. I tell them look money go spend it and flash it. It's not more. It's more fairer. It's more fairer than the tourism making contribute more to the economy. So why Jamaican government not come up with that thing where everybody at Jamaica can get a shares to buy some part of them company? Why they not call out to all of the Jamaican them overseas? See, all of the Jamaican they were overseas to contribute shares to some of them companies before them even sell them out to foreign country. Question I'm asking, why the Jamaican government? Well, everywhere in the world, and you have people who can read, and you have everywhere in the world, you have people who cannot read. But it's not like one time when people they fool and they have no sense. My question is to the Jamaican government, what continue do what them feel like is right and better for my kids them and your kids them. Why they do not set up a system that each and every Jamaican the overseas, see, each and every Jamaican what overseas can buy shares in Jamaican company. The first set of people get a chance to buy shares in Jamaican company for safe. Even the WAF itself, maybe if the government come up and say, all right, every Jamaican overseas, we need all of them to buy shares in the WAF that we can save the WAF, we can own it for ourselves. You know, people say all of the Jamaican overseas that contribute and we own the WAF for ourselves. Jamaican government them continue making mistake, but the mistake where them make say it not gonna hurt them people. Jamaican people is not going to hurt them. It's going to hurt us and our kids them coming to the future. You see, that's why I may tell you when people voting, we're supposed to know exactly where we voting for. And then the thing about it, when you need to go work in a call center, you see, we breed this COVID-19 so much in Jamaica. You need certain amount of levels and training to work in a call center. When you need to go be a government or a prime minister, you don't need no form of training. No. How can you train? How can you be a prime minister to run a country for both over mother, father, and child, and then you not live loving with your mother, father, and child? That means a leader like any family leader, like them family leader. They're not supposed to lead nobody because we're supposed to know if you're living good with your mother, if you're living good with your father, if he's a kind-hearted person, if he's a people where have some person where have leniency, if you all of them things they're supposed to be knowing. It's supposed to go to an interview. All of them things they're supposed to go to a process before you get a chance to run a country. If you will be a police, you have to go through certain part of training to be a police. So why all of these government people continue ruling over us and they don't have get no training? So all them just come and just continue making bad mistake and bad decision for the people. People of Jamaica, citizens of Jamaica, we need to say all of the Jamaican overseas, we need to come up with a saying for that we supposed to can oppose because we contributing almost exactly 3/4 of the economy of Jamaica. Because if the tourism is what make Jamaica continue going. The tourism got 3.8 billion and then whosoever saying is 2.8 plus whosoever carrying. Because when you calculate it, we are contribute to the economy of Jamaica more than the people in Jamaica where are rule Jamaica. Citizens of Jamaica, overseas and Jamaica, we need to come up with a system that the Jamaica government need before them do anything. Them supposed to consult the citizens of Jamaican people. All of us overseas, because them say it's over 5 million Jamaican people overseas. We need the government of Jamaica need to put it out on social media. Say yes, we are going to sell this, and if Jamaican want to buy shares in this and for it, we can see that company I say that part of Jamaica. Let's do so right now. That's my state of view. I have no education, for instance, college education, but wisdom do not come from education. Wisdom coming from understanding, and understanding coming from knowledge. And some of them people that will lead us have no form of knowledge. No form of knowledge. And understandability, them don't have that neither. Please, Jamaican people, please reconsider this. And if you like what I say, please like and share. Subscribe to my channels.